Hello, my name is Neneremi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to screen record with your Android phone for free. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Your Android phones come with a screen recorder. There's a screen recorder that comes with the Android phone, so you don't have to go externally to download any screen recorder. Okay, especially the new versions of Android phone, Samsung phones, it comes with screen recorder. So how do you discover, how do you find this screen recorder? You're going to drag the up icon, the up bar up, down, then you're going to flip through, and that's your screen recorder. By the right, the second bar, the second row, the second icon by the right, by the extreme end, that's your screen recorder, as you can see. So if you tap on it, your screen automatically starts recording your screen, so you don't have to go and download any app externally. But if you can't find it in that position, in that direction, you can also search through your phone apps. How to do this? You're going to go to search on your phone and you're going to type in screen recorder. You can see now all the screen recorder you have on your phone, including the app, they are visible. So you're just going to tap on it. That's your internal screen recorder. This is the recorder that comes with your Android phone. So this is, if you tap on this icon below, it's going to start recording, but there are other things to do, like the settings. Now you can go to the screen recorder and you can set the resolution. You can either reduce it or increase it. Then the video quality, you can increase the video quality for quality videos, or you can reduce it. Orientation, your sound source, the source of your sound, if you're using mic, or if you don't want a sound, you can mute it, or you're using system sounds. So this is basically the screen recorder that comes with your phone, and it's very comprehensive. It's very good too. So this is it. If you don't want to go ahead and download an external screen recorder, you can use this. It's very good. The next screen recorder we're going to be talking about is the AZ screen recorder. To download this app, you simply go to your Play Store, type AZ screen recorder, and click on install. After you install the app, it's going to show you this. What this simply means is for you to go to your settings and enable this app to display over other apps. This is the AZ recorder. I'm using it to record this video. Okay, this AZ screen recorder has a free version, and it also has a pro version, which is the paid version. But I don't use the pro version, I use the free version, because the free version does whatever I want, does everything I need. So I don't pay for the pro version. You can decide to use the free version, or you can use the paid version. For me, the free version is fine by me. So I'll be showing you more features, more things this app can do, because it's very vast. Okay, now I've clicked on it and we're here. We're in the app proper. Let's click on this. Okay, this is screenshots. There's no screenshots. Let's go to this. So this is in this app you can edit your video too. Okay, this is edit video. You can, when you screen record your videos, you can come here and also edit your video. It serves as a video editor. Then you can use it to edit your image. You can use it to compress your video, but that's a pro version. You can transfer videos from your phone to your personal computer. That's a Wi-Fi transfer. So let's go to settings. We're here. This is the resolution. You can decide to change okay, they said can't be changed. This is a high resolution, so it's okay. It's fine by me. This is video quality. You can decide to, okay, I'm recording, so I'm unable to change the video quality, but you can decide to change your video quality to the video quality of your choice, the video quality you want. Then this is frame rates, different sizes of recording, different sizes of the videos you wish to record. This is orientation. The orientation is either landscape or portrait. Okay, you can choose from that. Then the audio source, if you're using a microphone, if you're using an external device, this is where you're going to choose if you're doing so. Okay, this is to avoid unexpected stop. So the app has so many features. Hide floating during recording, you can decide to toggle it and enable it. While this is magic button, invisible control if that's what you want, stop options. How do you want your video to stop, your screen recording to stop? You can go there and do the settings yourself. Hide pop-up window after taking screenshots, you can decide to toggle it on, but I leave it that way. Countdown before start. How many seconds do you want to count down? You want it to count down before the video screen recording starts, so you can better prepare yourself. It's up to you. So the app is very comprehensive. This is screenshot. If you want to use the app for screenshots, you can toggle it. This is camera. What this camera means is, if you're recording, if you want the screen record to show your face by the corner, it's going to show your face by the corner. So if you want that, then you can enable this camera. Most people, like those who are into gaming, they enable this feature. This is brush. You can enable the brush. You can use it to highlight when you're recording. Okay, you can use it to highlight while you're recording, just like I'm doing. You see, I'm using it. Okay, let me highlight this. That's what the brush feature is for. So it's very nice. Let me delete it and not disable it. Okay, that is for that. You can also use it for live streaming. Okay, so the app basically is AZ Recorder. Is a very nice app with great features. All these features I'm showing you now are on the free version. While recording, you can see the timing by the corner. This is the AZ recording app. You can decide to use these functions while recording instead of pulling down your phone to use the icon up here. You can decide to use the one by the side. This is the stop. This is the pause. This is the stop, and this is the settings bar. This is a quick settings bar where you can just make a quick action. All these are free screen recording apps you can make use of. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.